the reason, and I'm not able to convert that. I'll try.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Everybody is ready to go? Show thumbs up. Everybody is all set? Very nice. You should always take a water bottle with you when you are having a session with me. Always should keep the water bottle nearby. Okay? And drink it when I start my session. Always have a little bit of water. Everybody, okay? Now let us start. Okay? What I did, I have gone to scratch.mit.edu. Okay, this is the website where you can directly go online and develop your programs. You can store your programs, you can develop your programs, and you know what? In Scratch, you can do many things. Okay, you can do lot of things in Scratch. You can develop your stories, animations. You can have the cartoons moving across. Okay, you can make the magic stories. You can make the stories of your.
Sir,
Yes, yes,
I have made it that ping pong game.
yes, very nice. So everybody mute for some time, then I will ask you.
Sir, I have also made.
Yes, very nice.
Sir,
Now
I have make a cars game.
everybody mute please.
Okay, sir.
Very nice, good job.
Sir, how to save the game?
We will tell you everything. Okay, now I'm starting from very basics. Okay, now look at it. So first of all, you can use Scratch for programming like animation. You know the Disney cartoon that you see, the Mario puzzle that you see jumping. You have to go up the level. You can go down. You can be very creative. Any book that you read, a cartoon book, you can make that cartoon book in the Scratch as a animation game for you. Very simple and very easy. You all can do it. Okay. So everybody look at the screen, then I will show you step by step as to what to do. Okay, everybody, Manisha, everybody look at the screen. Don't write anything right now. So you can develop a small animation programs, very small animation programs. Any book that you like, which book you like? You like some books, right? Animation books, drawing books, right? Cartoon books. So the books are, you don't see the cartoons moving in the book, right? Right? So you can design that animation in the Scratch. You can take the similar cartoon and make it in the Scratch so that you can share that video with others. You can share the videos with others so that everybody can see your animation and a story online in an animation form. Okay, I will tell you one simple example that you can develop today or this week. Okay, and share it. Okay, we will go very slow. So if you have any problems, you can raise your hand. Okay, you can raise your hand. Okay. Okay, so I'm on a blank screen. There is nothing right now. Okay, there is nothing on the Scratch screen. I'm on a blank screen. When you go in, you will see a small cat here in this block. Okay, I've removed everything. I've kept it blank. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will see that down below the right corner, you will see a sprite button. The sprite is nothing but a character of your cartoon movie, right? You can pick up any cartoon and pick up the character from there. Okay. Now look at this. I'm clicking this green sprite button at the right bottom corner. Ashmi, look at the screen, everybody. So So when I click that, it opens this lot of options for me. It opens so many things for me. Okay. Now, okay, look at which character we want. Okay, which character we want. Okay, little bit this one, right? Chick, chick. I like this little chick. Okay, see this one, little chick. You can make a story for the little chick. You can pick up a cartoon, a chick from this sprite, right? And you can make her run around. You can make her run around. Okay, so I have picked up a small chick from the sprite, right? When you click this, you will see that option. When you click this button, you will see that option. Okay, to pick up this chick. Okay, I've picked up a small chick now. Any questions, anybody till now? Raise your hands. Anybody has any questions? Raise your hand. Anybody has any questions? Arnavi, what is your question?
But how we can? Hmm, I cannot download it on phone, and I cannot download it, and I cannot take this like. I have some options, but I don't have that chicks like chicks. I don't have.
So you're using mobile or you're using laptop?
My father has a laptop, but on his laptop it don't work. That's why I use the phone.
Phone, it will not work, better. Phone, it will be too difficult. So try mobile, try laptop and use the browser. Instead of downloading anything, you can directly go on the website and develop this. I am doing directly on the website. Okay, it will be so easy. You can use any device. Okay, I'll mute you now. Anybody else, any questions right now? Anybody, raise your hands if you have any questions related to what I'm doing right now. Any questions? Ronit, what is your question?
Sir, how to save the game?
Yeah, so saving, I will tell you. Okay, so right now we have not reached the saving. I will tell you at the end of it. Okay. So you have to, okay, let me tell you. So at the top corner, you see the sign in option of the screen, right? If you sign in with your login email ID and password, then you will have an option to save. You have to sign in, tell your parents to sign in on this website with the email IDs and password, then you will be able to save the game. Otherwise, you will not be able to save. Okay. Anybody else has any questions? Purvang, you have any questions? Anybody else has any questions till this point? Okay, very good. Nobody has any questions now. Okay, good. So I picked up a small chick and I want her to move 10 steps. I want her to walk a little bit. What I want her to walk, because if she stand there, somebody else, cat will come and catch the chick, right? So I want her to walk little bit. All right, I want her to walk. Okay. So I will find out, I will see on the left side motion. Do you see a motion? Right? Do you see a motion? Blue color button, circle at the left corner. So you can click that and you will see all the blue with the options to move around. Okay. What I can do, I can pick one option which is move and keep it here in the center, the bigger screen. Okay. Is that okay? Everybody is okay with this? So thumbs up. So thumbs up if everybody is okay with this. Very nice. So I picked up the 10 steps, right? I want chicks to jump 10 steps when I click. Now, when I have to start this program, what I have to do? I have to go to the events. Okay, I have to go to the event, the yellow color on the left side, and pick up the first one, the flag one, when green flag is clicked. Okay, so you have to click, you have to pick up the first one. Always you pick up this one, green button, green flag. When you click the green flag at the top, the program will start. Okay, so I picked up the green flag and I said move 10 steps. Okay, now I will not do anything. I will just see whether my program is working or not, whether my chick is moving or not. Okay, I'm going to the top. See the green flag. Manisha, are you seeing the screen or you're doing something else? Sorry?
Ahana.
Yeah, what are you doing? Don't write.
Okay.
Okay. See the screen now. Everybody look at the screen. Okay, so now I've done these two statements. One is click and then move 10 steps. Okay, now I will just click the green button. All right. See, chick moving? Show thumbs up if the chick is moving.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, chick is moving or not moving? Yeah, stick is moving, but it is very slow moving, right? So what I can do, I can change this 10 to 30. 30. Okay.
No.
All right. So if I make it 30, then see that chick moves really fast now, right? Every time I click the green flag, the chick will move fast. All right. Everybody is okay with this? Show thumbs up.
Yes.
Everybody is okay with this? Hitansh, you have any question? I can't hear you.
You the move 10 steps and click the green flag, but it's not moving one time 10 steps. Why doesn't happening like that? 030.
I can't hear you properly, Hitansh.
You take 10 steps and when click, then it's not moving only in one time 10 steps. It's just when you click the green flag, it just moves one time. Why it happens like that?
Because I have written move only once. I have written move only once. Okay. So it will move only 30 steps once when I click the green button. Okay. Now I will tell you what you're asking is why not the chick is keep moving. Okay. I have not programmed it that way. I have programmed that chick will move only 30 steps at a one time. Okay. There is a you can add some more statement there to say chick keep moving. It will not even stop. Okay. So we will learn later on. Right now we will go slow steps so that everybody understands this. Okay. We will look at that also what you're saying. Okay. Everybody is okay right now with this? Show thumbs up. Very nice. Anybody has any questions right now? Anybody has any questions right now? Suchir, what is the question you have?
No.
Okay, you don't have it. Okay, good. All right. So now what I will do, I've got one chick. Okay. Now I will add one more sprite. Okay. So before I change the sprite, let us see what we can do with this chick. Okay. I can go to looks. Okay. And I can add the statement there. See this? On the left side, there is a look option, purple color, purple color circle there. I can pick that and then I will see a lot of options there. Then I can say, it will say hello. Okay, see this? And I will change the timing to 4 seconds. Okay. Now when I click the green button, what happens? Okay. Now You can change the text. Okay, you can change the text to say, my name is that correct? My name is Sunu. You can change the name of this. See this? Can you see this? Jake is saying his name. Can you see this, everybody?
Yes.
Yes. Now you can also say some more things. You can write some more thing. My name is Sunu. I want to play with you. You can add whatever you like. Okay. I want to play with you. And you can change how much seconds you want the message to display. So I've said 5 seconds. Now look at this again. My name is Sunu. I want to play with you. Okay, what is she saying? What is she saying? I want to play with you, right? Are you seeing this properly? Everybody show thumbs up. Are you able to see it? Any questions so far? Any questions? Anybody has any questions? Raise your hand if you have any questions. Anybody has any questions? Everybody is clear? Ashmi, you have question? Yeah, tell me. Let me unmute you. Unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me now.
Sir, if we will, how to delete that if we want to write something?
Oh, you can see if you can just click on this. Just click on this, take your mouse and click. Now suppose I want to write something else here. I want to play with Ashmi. So you can write whatever you like here. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
And then you can take your mouse and write whatever you like it there.
Okay.
Now you see I have written something there, and hold on, I will show you what happens now. See now when I click the green button, what happens? See.
Oh my god.
Don't make faces, guys. This is not correct, please. Okay, everybody sit back and take what I'm doing, okay? Everybody is okay so far? Any questions, anybody? Tarak, you're okay? Any questions? So thumbs up if you're fine. Suchir, anything you have? Okay, very nice. Okay, good job, everybody. Anybody has any questions? Raise your hand. You can raise your hand if you have any questions so far. Okay, very nice. Okay, now you can also look at, yeah, Rishali, you have some question? Yes. Yeah, go ahead.
There is another small light chick on the big screen.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this one. This one.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, that is because we are programming for checks, so it is appearing here. That is the logo. You can't do anything with it because you are programming for checks. That is why it is appearing here. Okay. Now let us look at what else you can do. Okay. Look at this. I can change the costumes also. See this one. See, I have picked up another from the purple thing. Switch costume. See what are the option I have. So this is the different images that is stored. Okay, see this one. See this, it is changing the shape now. You can look at the different costumes. Okay, you can change the backdrop also. Okay, we will come to the backdrop later on. You can change the color also. Okay, you can change the color, you can change the timing, you can change on the screen. See this, I'm changing the color also. I'm changing, see this, did you see the change in color? Is this the color, better color? Yellow one or green one? What is the better color? See, I changed the color. See this? The color will keep changing whenever I click this now. Everybody is okay with this? You can change the color, you can change the dress, you can change the background image, you can change lot of things on this. Everybody is okay with this so far? Okay, very nice. Okay, good job. Now, the white screen doesn't look good, right? Backside. Okay, the white screen doesn't look good. So if you want to change some background, you can change the background screen also. See this? You can go here and change the background also, backdrop. So this is the sprite and this is the backdrop. Okay, this is the backdrop. The next button, which is the backdrop. Okay, so you want Chick to play in the garden, right? Or where you want her to play. So I can pick up the blue sky one. Is it looking good now? I've added the backdrop, right? The backdrop. Okay, so backdrop you can pick up from this last icon at the right bottom. You can say choose the backdrop. So there when you click, you will see lot of backdrop options. You can pick up the backdrop from there. Everybody is okay with this? Yeah, Avni.
Sir, how can back that drawing what has you
You
made
have
that
to, you don't have to do anything. You have to just pick up the image which is available to you. I will show you again. Okay, I will
But
show you.
sir, I know how to take that, but I don't know how to get how that come back.
It will come. I will show you that. Okay. I go to this back. When I click this, so you will see lot of options there. Okay, lot of options. So you can go and just click that image. Okay, you can just go and click that image. You will take that backdrop. Okay, you will see that backdrop. Okay, like said this one. If I want to take forest, I can pick up the forest and it will be in the forest. Okay, whatever you like, you can pick up that image and it will appear on the back side of your screen. So Chick will be playing in the forest now. Okay, is that okay? Everybody is fine? So thumbs up, everyone. Very good. Okay. Now, can I add a cat to this? Can I add one cat? So that cat and Chick can run around and play with each other. Okay, they can become friend or they can play with each other, hide and seek or chasing game. Okay, let me see. Okay, what is the story that you want to develop? You can develop anything. Okay, you can make them friend or you can make them enemy. It is your call. Okay, now I will go. See that I'm going to pick up a sprite again. Choose a sprite. at the bottom right corner. What is that? There are two icons. One is choose a sprite and another is a backdrop. So I'm going in and choosing a sprite. The sprite is a character. Okay, so when I click this sprite, chicken a butterfly. You can make a story of chicken a butterfly or chicken a cat. What do you want? Or this butterfly. This is see this butterfly. We can make friends today. Everybody is okay to make friends? Okay, let us pick up the butterfly. Okay. So we will make a story of butterfly and chick. Okay. In the forest, they both are playing. All right. So now chick is saying, I want to play with you, butterfly. But what is the name of butterfly that you want to give? Chick name is Sunu and butterfly name is Pinky. Okay. Okay. Butterfly name is. So chick is saying, I want to play with you, Pinky. Okay. Now what butterfly is saying? Let us go there. Okay. So I click the butterfly here. I click the butterfly and then again I will go and pick my green button first. That is always any sprite you pick up the green flag first. Okay. Click the green flag. What will happen when you click on the green flag? You can say butterfly will say, hello Sunu. Sunu is the name of chick, right? So she butterfly will say, hello Sunu. And then she will say, I want to play with you. Okay. Now let us see what happens. Okay. I will click the green button. See this I have written on the butterfly. See this on the butterfly. I have written this 3 lines. And on chickpeas, I have written this 4 lines. Okay. So you have to write the program on the character. Okay. Now, when I click the green button, okay, when I click the green button, what happens next? So they both want to play with each other. They both want to play with each other. They both are friends. Okay. They both are friends, right? Do you like this story? Okay. What you can do, you can also develop like this. You can also you can do a lot of things with them. You can make them run around, you can make them rotate. Okay, somebody wants to rotate. Okay, let me tell you what. If you go to motion, you will find a lot of options there to turn, to run. See this on the blue option, in the blue button option, which is motion, you can turn the butterfly. You can move the butterfly some steps. See this, I'm picking up a 10 steps. You can make it 50 steps. Okay. Then you can turn degrees also. Turn degree in the sense it will take a turn. Okay. And see what happens now. I've added some steps in butterfly also. See this butterfly is turning 15 degree, right? 30 degree. You can turn anything. She butterfly is going towards Sonu to talk, to play, right? And you can make the stories like this. You can let them play. You can make them chase each other, hide and seeks. You can do a lot of creative stuff on this. Okay. Any questions? Anybody? Everybody is happy with this? Anybody has any questions? Raise your hand. Okay, Hitansh, what is your question?
But how can we make them play chasing and hide and seek.
Yeah, hide and seeks. You can. There are many things here. You have option to hide them actually. See this. See this. There is an option to show and hide there. Okay. You can hide them for some time and then show them after some time. You can hide them behind the tree. You can hide them something creative that we will learn as we go along. Okay, not in the first session. Okay, first you do what I have done, everybody,
Thank you.
and
Sir.
and then you can change the color of the costume. You can change the backdrop. You can do some creative stuff, simple stuff. Don't make it things complex right now. Okay, you can record the messages like the way I said it. See, there's the butterfly. She is saying you can write some beautiful messages here. Very nice, friendly messages. Make a very simple story. Okay, and then you can share it with your friends. Then they will also you can tell them what next, right? Now after this you can make a full story of this two butterfly and chickpeas. Okay, you can in fact make three friends. Let me show you how to make three friends. Okay, now cat also wants to come in. Okay, so when you click on the sprite you can choose cat. Okay, now I want to bring the cat also in the mix. Okay, now cat also wants to play with them. Will you allow cat to play with them? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you can decide. You can make them play, you can make them run around, or they both can run away from cat. It is you can be creative. You can make a beautiful story out of this and tell to the other friends. I will give you opportunity to share your story. You can record a video and share this story, small story with others, everybody else. Can you record a video of your story and share it like this? You can take the characters, move them, run around, turn around, all of that, and record a small story, 2 minute story, not very long. It should not be more than 2 minutes, okay? And share your recording, video recording stories with others. You can be very creative. You can be a director, you can be a producer, right? You can produce a small video, a story video. Everybody will love it. All right,
Thank you, sir.
good job. Now I want Shavay to show you a small game that he has designed. Okay, he has designed beautiful game for you. You look at it. Okay, you don't have to try this. He's just showing you this game. After a few weeks, you will also develop something like this. Any questions so far for me? I mean, whatever I've done, are you all happy with this? Any questions? Any any questions anybody has?
Limited by
Okay, very nice. Okay, so we are changing the topic now. I will give it to Shravay. He will show you his design, right? He has done something great. Okay, so I will stop sharing and Shravay, you can share your screen now. Shravay, can you? Yeah. See what he has developed is a questions and answers. Okay. Yeah, Shravay, go ahead, explain.
Start.
So
What
he has, yeah. So what he has done, he has asked a question. You have to answer. What is the capital of Canada? Yeah, Shravan. If you say Ottawa, you will get 1 point at the top. See that 1 point that you have already got. So you can make this development, this kind of game also here. Now go to the next question. What is the capital of Bangladesh country? Aradhya, what is the answer you are saying? Anushri, anybody knows the answer for this? Arnavi, what is the answer here? Nobody is scratch. Don't use this option. Sorry, Dhaka. Very nice. Good job. So Dhaka is the right answer, and then you got one more point at the top. See this, you got 2 score now. Okay. Do not do mouse. Somebody is scratching the. Don't do this. Okay. What is the capital of Pakistan? Islamabad. Very good. Do not use this option. Somebody is playing with the mouse. Please do not do it. Please, you are a good child. Don't do this. What is the capital of Russia?
Moscow.
Yes. Very nice. Good job, guys. You're getting a score at the top. See that your score is moving up now. Okay.
Papa Kabul.
It is on.
Kabul.
What is the capital of Afghanistan? Afghanistan is Kabul. Very good. Somebody is doing something wrong on the screen. Please don't do it.
The capital of China.
Mongolia.
Also speak. What is the capital of Mongolia? पढ़ने की कोशिश करो।
आशीष मेरे को थोड़ा हेल्प चाहिए।
इसमें लिखा ही है सब बताओ ना प्लीज। थाईलैंड।
So you scored 8 points. Very good, children. Very good.
त्यांनी फीडबॅक सगळ्याचा दिलाय का नाही ते चेक करावं लागेल. त्याच्यामध्ये
So Shavai, can you stop sharing it? Yes.